No worries. Level 2 completed. Now let's go complete the level 3, my friends. This is gonna be much... What is going on? The exit is running away from me and spinning around. What? I'm walking on the wall, not on the floor. What? What is this? Oh no! Wow! Uh-oh. Ow!
Quickly towards the exit, the tiny rabbit hopped.
Ugh. That hurt me a lot, my friend. What? Where I need to go? What?
These big red eyes, they scared her,
What?
and she didn't want to stay.
This is so weird.
Through dark corridors he chased her. Round and round inside the palace, in and out of space and sight.
So interesting place.
I need new friends, more, now, another. I'll bring you some, don't worry now. Replied his loving, caring.
What? This is a very, very strange maze. What? What is happening? Wow! What? Are you serious? I just want to go home. Please, I need a bridge. Look, the bridge is coming. From the darkness. This is so cool. I will follow a rabbit. What? A doctor? I want to go with you, please. Help me escape. Huh? I go here. No worries. Oh no! A monster right over here! This is very bad. I need to go to the exit! Oh no! This is really bad thing! Okay. This strange symbol. Okay, this. Two triangles with the stick. Oh no. Two triangles with the stick. I need to go here. Yes! Woo! Rabbit, help me! Woo! Very good. Wow, that was really tense. That was amazing. I like this running scene. Whew. Okay. Now look, we're calm for now. Let's go see what this update is prepared us for. Ow! Ah. What? What? My friend is giant. Are you serious? Oh no! What? The exit door is... Whoa! You're so huge! Oh no! Let's go here, rabbit! So, that's so good that you showed me! Where to go? Oh no! No, 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 no! Very good.
This is Crown Childcare. The gold
What?
standard.
I'm again in elevator. No! I just want to go home.
I just got home and your sitter is
Ah!
walking. They were supposed to feed him. He needs a...
What was that?
What are you doing out of bed?
Huh?
Sitter, now. Send someone right away.
What? A cat? What? Again, mess in this house? This is pretty strange thing. What was that? That was Mom's phone.